This is Topbo Power. Today, we will conduct analysis test on our 100 kilowatt silent diesel generator set. This is a 100 kilowatts generator set powered by Topbo and equipped with a Topbo alternator. Now we start the unit. The generator is now fully running. Let's close the soundproof and close your door. The noise is significantly reduced at a distance of about 7 meters. The noise level is around 65 decibels. Now at 1 meter the noise is about 74 decibels. Made by Topbo Power. Quality speaks for itself with facts.